Hey, I'm Ron Cambra of Cambra Speed Shop here in Laverne, California. It's a great car show today. And about 2 years ago, I had the luxury of meeting these great people here that are from this town here in Laverne, Brian and Amy O'Keefe. They asked me to come and look at a car that was their family car, their mom's car, and we went over and checked it out after the show, and it was a basket case in a garage. I decided immediately to take it on since I knew it was a family project. And I thank you guys for allowing us to build this car for your family. And it was such an honor to be part of this thing.
Yeah, so the car, my mom bought the car new in 1971, obviously. And she had it through years until I was born in 82. And it was the car that I went to like swim lessons in kindergarten in Amy might know.
That was our family car for years until he was probably about 3 or so, 2 or 3. That was the car.
And after my parents were done with it, my uncle took it because he was very interested in having the Chevelle, and it was on the road till about 93, and then the engine went kaput at that point. And then it was just a project car that's been sitting in my uncle's garage for a long time, and I tinkered on it when I was in high school and college. And then it just sat for quite a while. So my mom loved it. She always talked about restoring it. She passed away in 2020, and then we had the opportunity to start looking around to find a place to restore it, and that's where we found Ron a couple of years ago with the Cambra Speed Shop. So super excited about it. It looks amazing. It's there in the background, and it's been like a 35-year project for me thinking about it.
And that car has been all over the country. They bought the car here in California, probably in West Covina or Covina, and Covina.
Plates in the back.
And then when my dad was in the Army, they were stationed in Colorado and Georgia. So they took the car everywhere with them, and trips and vacations, and it's been everywhere.
Yeah. And they made it back home to San Gabriel Valley, and here it'll stay for a while.
How was it working with Cambra Speed Shop?
Oh yeah,
it's been great. Ron kept me up to date on all the changes, and I could stop by anytime I wanted. I came through a few times, and everyone that works there was super nice, and just the quality of the build is amazing. Very fortunate that I just kind of stumbled across Cambra here at this show, so very excited. It's been great.
Yeah, I mean, it looks just like I remember it. So
with some improvements.
No, I want to say thank you to Craig Ozell for putting on Laverne. What a great show they do here every year in this cool town, old town of Laverne. And awesome people, and I've been lucky enough to meet great people like you guys out here. Your neighbor, Brian, which we did his orange truck over there. And they're both going to be roommates. Yeah. That orange truck and yellow car are going to only be about 20 feet from each other every night. So it's pretty cool. So I thank you guys again for allowing us to be able to be part of your life and building this car. Thank you guys.
Yes, thank you.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.